In the world of adventure touring motorcycles, the Suzuki V-Strom 1050 has set new standards with its unique combination of superior performance and unmatched comfort. Replacing its predecessor, the V-Strom 1000, this latest model not only features increased engine performance, but also features a variety of advanced features designed to provide an exceptional driving experience in a variety of road conditions. One interesting change: the latest V-Strom has a two-way quick shift system which allows up/down gear shifting without operating the clutch. The Suzuki V-Strom 1050 maintains its signature adventure touring aesthetic with a rugged design and ergonomics designed for long-distance comfort. Its sharp lines convey a sense of strength and toughness, while the upright seating position provides optimal control for the rider. Powered by a 1,037 cubic centimeters V-twin engine, the V-Strom 1050 produces enough power to conquer various terrains. This engine is not only strong on the road, but also responsive on light off-road trails, allowing the rider to explore all possible adventures. Suzuki has equipped the V-Strom 1050 with a variety of advanced technologies, including a ride-by-wire system for precise throttle response, adjustable traction control, and an advanced ABS system for increased safety while riding. Additionally, features such as a speed control system, informative digital instrument panel, and LED lighting are all designed to enhance rider comfort and experience. With an adjustable front suspension and a rear suspension that adjusts for various loads, the V-Strom 1050 offers excellent handling capabilities in a variety of road conditions. The Suzuki V-Strom 1050 represents a significant evolution from the previous generation, offering the perfect combination of power, reliability, and comfort to meet the needs of the modern adventure touring rider. With the latest technology embedded in a rugged design and comfortable ergonomics, these motorbikes not only inspire adventure, but also inspire the passion to explore further. For those looking for an unforgettable riding experience on every trip, the Suzuki V-Strom 1050 is a choice that is hard to pass up.